In previous video we were shopping in the flea market, and in this video we continue our low budget day. It's Kyiv Underground Metro. Advantages: fast and cheap, just 8 hryvnia, it's 30 cents. Disadvantages: very loud, almost impossible to communicate. Like this.
This is the flea market, and we go out in this place.
And again, nothing unusual for Kyiv city. Here we are on Contractor Square. It's Podil district, and we are going to a bistro.
It's Ukrainian canteen with good Ukrainian home-style food called Pozata Hata, translate as pot belly house. And price will also surprise you, so let's go.
And we are going to have a good meal with a nice view of the big wheel in Podil.
Here we are.
It's a place for people who don't want to wait when the dish will be ready. You just come and take whatever you want. Menu: what usually Ukrainian people eat at home. And today I want to eat traditional Ukrainian borscht. The price is 24 hryvnia, it's less than $1. Our lunch for today.
It's very nice food, that's why we choose this place. I love Ukrainian borscht.
We were enjoying our meal and talking about different things and food.
Do you like it?
It's really good, it's really for sure.
And look at this view.
Also in this place you can choose desserts. Again, nothing unusual for Kyiv. Here, right on the street, you can get your haircut.
What do you think? Should I get a haircut?
While we are discussing, you can write yes or no in the comment.
So we were eating Ukrainian food, and now I think will be a good idea to get some Ukrainian drink. And I'll show you a place where you can get a drink just for €1. So this place for one drink, it was very popular in Lviv, and then it was open in Kyiv.
Here you can buy cherry liqueur only, which is mix of vodka and cherries. She's pretty, no?
Here we are, and this is the place for one drink. Called Piyana Vishnya, translate as drunk cherry.
Alcohol? 75, wow, that's a lot.
Really? Maybe 17.
17, yeah, that's okay.
Sure.
It's just a strong wine, we'll be fine.
Yeah, so we barely find a place where we can drink. So it was one free table. So, cheers. Tasty. I like it. Like it. So, that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment my video. And then I continue to making more.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe this drunk cherry.
I also have a Patreon. Please feel free to support my videos, and then I can buy a better vocabulary to improve my English. Yes, so bye.
Bye.
Ciao, ciao. So later my friend went home, and I decided to meet with my friend Mia and show her my toys.